So I'm back again, and basically the unit's in from it, and what I'm going to do is just show you how to run it. Just a bit of feedback for Ron. It'd be nice just to have a little bit more length on the cables, just so you could get a bit of a better run. I'm always sort of the opinion you're better off too much wire and coil it down than not enough and be stretching everything. But there's a connection to the fuel box, the fuel pump should I say. Wires run up, and I've just tagged it onto the AC pipe for now, just to make sure I don't put any weight on these wires. I don't want any weight on them. So there's a bit of play in there, and I can always adjust this back. Ideally it'd be nice to have run that cable just over here a bit more, but it's not tight from it. And what I've done is I've run the cable here along the back of the bulkhead through the clip, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to situate the RonBox here in a Tupperware box, the unit there, and fit it on top of the ABS unit. Just that's probably about the best place. I don't want to put it too high up here in case the bonnet hits it, or on top of there. I want it away from a source of heat, likewise with the wires from it. So I'll tidy it all up, and I'll make a little box that'll fit onto there, and I'll secure the RonBox into there, so it won't be too bad. So just have a bit of a recap then. All I've done is plugged it into the boost pressure sensor, or often sometimes known as the MAP. I think that's just mass air pressure sensor. I'm not too sure what the MAP stands for, but in the actual Rave manual it's known as a boost controller. Plugged in there into the RonBox. That's the wires then that run through to the fuel pump. So you see them tracking across into here and then down into here, with my little bit of a idea with the pins, and we'll see if it works. And if it doesn't work, I'll try something else with it. But I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. And we got the test to it, and that's that. So the next step would be to start the unit up. Really, that'd be the next test, and just see what happens. So I'll go back and read the instructions. Ron does give you some good instructions about setting the unit up. As I said earlier on in the piece, it would have been really nice to get that RonBox in the cab for many reasons, so you can sort of adjust it without having to jump in and out. But I dare say once you've got it set up, you can just leave it anyway, and it doesn't look too bad there. And if you ever sell a vehicle, it's really simple to remove. Actually, you would never know it was plugged in.